Hello and welcome back to the video. Today we are drawing a Tron disc from Tron Legacy. So let's get started. First you draw like this circle. You could draw a perfect circle. It doesn't actually has to be perfect. You can draw it perfect if you want. Next you draw a circle inside of the circle. Next you draw a circle inside of the circle. You draw like this tiny thing. And then draw circles here, here. And then you draw like this. This. So then you draw like this, 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 this. Then you draw like these things. Then you can put you can make a Tron letters like this any way you want. I'm not doing it from the logo, I'm just making my own. So if you've never seen Tron before, you can also watch it. Then you'll understand more about the Tron Identity disc. Well, this is the end of the video. Bye!